Platformers. We all love platformers. Platformers are a beloved genre of video games that have been captivating players for decades, known for their challenging gameplay and clever level design. Platformers require players to control a character that navigates through various platforms, obstacles, and hazards to reach a goal or complete a mission. These games often demand precise timing, quick reflexes, and strategic thinking to overcome puzzles and enemies. I combined that genre with another subgenre called twin-stick shooters. Twin-stick shooters are an exciting and fast-paced genre of video games that test players' multitasking abilities and reflexes. In these games, players use two analog sticks or joysticks, but in this case I'm using a mouse, with one controlling movement and the other aiming the character's weapon independently. This innovative control scheme allows for dynamic and precise maneuvering, enabling players to navigate intricate mazes and dodge enemy attacks while simultaneously unleashing a barrage of firepower. Movement is a core element in video games, and I wanted the movement to feel fluid and satisfying. So I knew that squash and stretch were going to play a big role in the player's movement. Squash and stretch breathes life into the player's movement and enhance the overall gameplay experience. By incorporating squash and stretch, it adds a dynamic element that allows the player to deform and stretch as they move, jump, and interact within the game world. This subtle yet impactful visual effect not only adds a sense of realism, but also makes the player more engaging and satisfying to see. Movement aside, there is only one thing missing, and that is blood and gore. Now, I might sound like a ballistic psychopath, but the satisfaction of blood in games lies in its ability to enhance the gaming experience through a combination of visual and psychological factors. Firstly, blood adds a sense of realism and intensity to combat scenarios, making the gameplay more immersive and engaging. The splatters and spurts of blood upon successful hits or critical strikes provide instant visual feedback, reinforcing the player's actions and granting a feeling of accomplishment. But who cares about squash and stretch and blood? I only care about big, dominant, ginormous tanks. Let's talk about user interface. User interface in games is a critical element that serves as the conduit between players and the gaming experience. Through an array of intuitive menus, visual cues, and informative HUD displays, the UI provides players with essential information, interactive controls, and feedback, all seamlessly integrated into the game's world. So here's a quick tour of all the menus. So first we have the main menu, and then we have the settings menu, and once you click on continue, we have a map selection menu. I guess that's everything I want to discuss in this devlog. I'll see you in the next one.